The new S-Series lift truck from Clark features a self-activating parking brake. When the operator present system detects that the operator has exited the seat, the parking brake will self-activate. This is a multi-disc parking brake internal to the transmission. The spring-applied and hydraulically released system will also automatically apply during loss of engine power. There's no need for the operator to remember to apply the parking brake. There are no annoying brake reminders, and there are no park brake adjustments needed because there are no cables to stretch or brake shoes to wear. The parking brake deactivates when the operator is seated with his or her foot on the brake and the truck is placed in gear. The new S-Series lift truck from Clark. Smart, strong, safe.